do some first. Turn on this.
Thank you very, very much. I'd like to explain the extra member of the group that happened in the Oldies medley, the bearded person. When we put this thing together about a year and a half ago, we had a comedy and music team come on the road with us to open the show. And they really outstanding comics, but also very good musicians. And we incorporated one member into the Oldies medley, and we didn't want to change it when we came over here to England, so we brought him with us. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a big hand, please, for Pete Henderson. Pete?
Monophonic recording.
Look at the two of us, strangers in many ways.
I recorded my new recording.